What's going on, guys? Alec here. Hope you're all having an amazing day. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Make sure to subscribe, leave a comment, and smash that thumbs up button. Today I want to talk about how to launch your products profitably on Amazon. And a lot of people think this is impossible and you can't do it. And I want to explain a few things and dive a little bit deeper off the surface layer of what many people are doing today regarding tactics and just real hit hard and move on strategies that still work. And I just want to explain a few things to you and open up your mind about how you can really build a business and something more long term rather than just quick tricks and tactics. So in this video, that's what I'm going to go over. And if you guys can launch products profitably without having to give away hundreds of units. So how do you launch profitably? What is this about? How can you actually go about doing a product launch without having to give away a few hundred units, 150 units at a loss? So, I mean, there's nothing more annoying than to have to give away 150 units of your hard-earned inventory that you just spent money on at a loss and basically give it away 95% off or almost free. While these things do work, I'm not condemning or saying anything about these launch services. And if you guys want to use them, go ahead and do that. They work, and it's proven, and it'll get you there and perform the actions that you guys need to do. But here's a different way and something to really think about if you want to really think long term and sustain yourself and build an actual business and a brand like I always speak about on my channel, and something that I really think you guys all should be thinking about right now, today, and going forward in the future. You guys need to be building something more than just flipping products on Amazon. So if you're selling kitchen products and you have that spatula, like I always speak about, you want to be selling your products to a certain demographic and a certain person, and that person might be a mother who has a family and whatever else. So that's the demographic person you're targeting your products to. So when you go and launch these products, instead of going to these coupon sites and these giveaway sites and just giving away 150 at 95% off or 99% off and at a complete loss and going in the red as soon as you get your product in, what happens if you can actually do that at break even or even be profitable right when you launch? So that's really the ultimate goal. And if you guys can do that, it's possible if you do one thing that I'm going to explain to you now. So what am I speaking about? You guys should be building some sort of audience and a list, whether that's an email list, whether that's a messenger list, whether that's a Facebook group. So you guys want to get the people of your current target audience and you want to put them in some sort of group. This could be anything like I just mentioned. So you want to get them in that group, and however you get them there, that's up to you. And once they're there, you build a relationship and a community with them. So when you have products, you can actually launch them to them and not have to give away such a deep discounted product, and you could actually launch profitably without having to give it 95% off. So by putting these people in one centralized place, you have control over them and you have control over who you're giving these products away to. So normally, guys, in any type of launch platform, you're giving away your product to couponers. So these people are just sitting on these coupon sites, and they're probably not even your ideal customer. They just want something for free or for 98, 99% off. So they're just sitting there ready and waiting to swipe and get your product for almost free. These are people who do this for a living, guys. They just sit behind their computers looking to take your product for 99% off. So what a better way to open up your business and start and be at a complete loss and giving all your stuff away for free. And while like I said, I'm not shutting that idea down. Sometimes you have to do what you have to do to get traction and rank. But if you guys can start building now and for the future something that you can have for yourselves and like an asset for your business and your company, as like an email list, a messenger list, some type of following, a Facebook group, that's a really great way to do it. Put people into a Facebook group and then consistently bring them value, talk to them, speak to them about your brand, about your company. If you are selling kitchen products, maybe speak to them about cooking. Do whatever you have to do to bring value to them, warm up to them, and then when you have your next product or your second or third product, it is so much easier, guys, I'm telling you this, to launch products, and maybe you have to only give them a 20 or 30% discount, and that's profitable and you actually could even make money on a launch and establish yourself that way instead of giving away tons of units. And by doing that, the people who most deeply care about your company, your business, and your brand, who actually know you and will rally behind you, will actually be a much better person to have purchase your products right off the bat, rather than these couponers who are going to take your deal and run, and you're never going to see them again. So it's much better off, guys, in the beginning to be giving away your products to people who actually care about your brand, and to a customer that's going to be there for the long haul with you guys. As you're building your business, they're going to rally behind you, and they're going to care about what you have to offer. You could put them in an Instagram on an Instagram page. You could have a Facebook page, Facebook group, and these people will actually want to come back and buy from you time and time again. So you're going to have all these people at your control. So with the pull of a trigger, you could launch products profitably to all these people. So guys, it's a much better idea to be doing this. And if you guys are new, you should really start this now and pivot towards this in the future, because it is much better, like I said, to be doing this. And it makes getting a review something that a lot of people struggle with in the beginning, and it makes getting a review so much easier because you're not giving away at that deep discount, and it makes these reviews come in much easier because these people actually care about your products and your brand, and they care about you as a company. So getting those initial reviews, getting to that first 50 reviews, and really ranking and stabilizing yourself until organic sales is a lot easier. So I just wanted to share this thought with you guys today and explain to you guys how you guys can launch profitably on Amazon without doing a massive launch or giveaway. You can have that in your tool belt to do, but this is something that you guys should also be doing. You also want to be doing this, building something, building an asset that you can have with you forever and really stabilize and build a business. And when you go to sell your business or whatever you go to do in 5-10 years, that it will actually bring more value to your company, and it will in turn make your company more valuable if you do go to sell it down the road, because people want to buy from a company who has a list and is more than just an Amazon products brand. So that's what I have to say for you guys today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a little bit more advanced stuff, and I just wanted to put you guys in the mindset of, is it possible to launch profitably? A lot of you guys are not sure if it is, and it absolutely is. You can launch profitably if you have the proper things set up, and if you're building a brand and a following outside of Amazon, and you're doing the right things, and you're really positioning yourselves for today and for the future. So I think it's a really important thing to be doing that, and something to keep in mind if you want to launch products easily, quickly, and not have to give away tons of products right off the bat. And Amazon loves it because it's outside traffic coming into Amazon, and they're gonna reward you more for that. These are also real customers, like I said, and they care about your brand. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, and I'll see you guys in the next video.